Remember, safety first. You only get one set of eyes.
Do you have rusty and stubborn bolts that just won't turn loose? Those of us who live in the snow belt know this one very well. I have a solution for you. This is an old school trick that we used to use for exhaust manifolds, and I'll demonstrate it here on this wheel nut. You'll need your tire wrench, an emergency candle, and your propane torch. By introducing heat from only one side and then introducing the wax from the other side, it creates a capillary action that allows the wax to feed itself right into the threads. Now this wheel nut will remove a whole lot easier with the tire wrench. Check out other Fab King videos to keep your project moving.